Hey everybody, welcome to the adventures of the Oklahoma Gruntman. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope the Lord has blessed you with a beautiful day like it is here in Woodward. It's supposed to be up in the 60s again today. The sun is shining nice and bright, so my last day of bell ringing today. I got to go to Dollar Tree and get some more candy for the kiddos, and I'm at the post office right now. Got a card in my P.O. box today from Teresa Green, so thank you, Teresa. I definitely appreciate it. This will go on my tree when I get home. The card says "Stupid GPS," and it's got Santa on the moon. So it's funny. Stupid GPS is my go-to line a lot. That's funny. I do that a lot myself, Teresa. I'll go, where is this lady taking me to? And I'm one of them that I talk to, and it'll say, make a U-turn and I go, no, I'm not making a U-turn. like they can really hear me. But anyway, I'm going to read the note. It says, find yourself a Merry Christmas. Hope you have a wonderful and blessed Christmas. Teresa Green and Abby Dog. So thank you again, Teresa. You guys know these mean the world to me. So this will go home and get put on my tree. And it's a Christmas blessing tree because the tree this year represents a lot to me. I didn't even put a tree up last year because, yeah, there's a lot of personal stuff. And I'm not really going to get into that. You guys probably know what most of it is, but so my tree this year is a Christmas blessing tree. It's a fresh start for me. It's all decorated with stuff that you guys have given me and blessed me with. So that's why I'm calling it a Christmas blessing tree. And it just a little representation of what you guys mean to me. So yeah, thank you again. This is going to go on the tree, and I'm going to head to Dollar Tree and get some candy for the kiddos. And then I got to go home and transform into Santa Claus for the last time, ringing the bell. So we're going to make the best of it today. Had a lot of fun yesterday. I was on the grocery side. Today I'm going to be on the pharmacy side. And yesterday it was kind of weird because on the grocery side it just seemed like all the parents were in a hurry and didn't let their kids come and do the Santa stuff. But it's all good. I did have one little girl that I seen her eyes light up before the doors even opened. And the minute the doors opened, she goes, "Santa!" And she come running up to me and give me a big hug. And yeah, that just warmed my heart. Yeah, most of the parents were just in a hurry, and I understand that because, you know, they're probably stopping at Walmart just to get something to cook for dinner, and it's getting on to 4 and 5 in the afternoon, and they probably just got off work. So yeah, I definitely understand it, but sometimes you got to just put your kids first, but you know, that's to each their own. So anyway, I'm going to get up here to Dollar Tree, get some candy bought for the kiddos, head back home and start getting my Santa transformation on, and go up to get ready to ring the bell at Walmart. So God bless you guys. I love you, and we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, I got the card that I got from Teresa Green put on my tree. Yeah, I just absolutely love my tree this year. So thank you everybody. God bless you. We'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, I'm gonna go in here to Burger King and bless a couple of the workers in here as Santa Claus. So we'll see if they let me video or not. Talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, got done at Burger King. They really didn't want me to video. I got a little bit of video in there. And the two ladies that were ahead of me that you see in the video, I give all the people that were in there eating some candy out of my bag that I'm giving away to the kids. And these two ladies that were in front of me in line there, they wanted a picture taken with me, and they said, they come up to me, can we get a picture taken with you? And I said, yeah, I don't care. So they had one of the employees take a picture, and there was 4 employees working, and I blessed them all with each a $5 tip. I hope the lady that I give it to is honest and gives it to everybody, because I just gave her a 20 and told her to split it up. But she wasn't the friendliest person in the world, but they were kind of busy, so I kind of understand that. But she didn't even really thank me for the tip, but I didn't do it to get a thanks. I did it because I just felt like giving to the employees that work hard, and I don't know if she was a manager or just an employee or having a bad day, but yeah, she didn't even say thank you. Now, the young lady that took the picture with the two ladies, I give her some candy too, and told her that she's got a tip there that I give the other lady, because I wanted to make sure that at least 2 people knew it, that I give it, so she could question it if she didn't get it. And she goes, really, you did that? I said, well, it wasn't much. I said, it's only $5. But she said, you didn't even have to do that. And I said, no. I said, the Lord has blessed me, and I'm just paying it forward. So, yeah, I hope they all get it. I hope the lady's honest that I give it to. But if she doesn't, that's on her and not on me. But yeah, the two ladies, I wish I would have had her take a picture for me too on my camera, but I never even thought of it. But it's all good. All the people that were sitting there eating were smiling, and when I come walking in with a sack full of candy, they all said thank you and Merry Christmas, and they just appreciated it. But I'm just getting ready to go ring the bell. I got me a cherry slush, freezy, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to sit here and drink the rest of this, and then get ready to go ring the bell. So God bless you guys. We'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. My last day of bell ringing. There'll actually be 2 videos coming up today. I was going to do them all in one, but I decided to do in 2 videos. So there'll be Friday's video that I was a day behind will be this video, and then there'll be another one coming right behind it. And then I will be vlogging every day. I'll be doing daily uploads. So yeah, just hope you had a good time with my last day of bell ringing. Had a lot of fun with it, but I'm glad it's over. Just going to get my video uploaded here real quick, and then I'll work on my other one and get it uploaded here in a couple hours. So, like I always say, treat everybody the way you want to be treated. Make this world a better place. Keep moving forward. Keep hitting them goals. And be nice. Be kind. God bless you guys. Love you. And we'll talk to you later.